What's up, everyone? Welcome to Double Up with Astro, and I would like to thank y'all for watching this video. Today I'm going to show you a little bit of proof video that I have for you guys with the Power Lead system, but I'm going to also show you the results that I have gotten with Lead Lightning. And with Lead Lightning, all it costs is a $7 one-time fee, and you can be able to receive $6 commissions for each sign up. So if you're a person out there that's looking for online, that's looking for an easy way to make money online, this is pretty much a perfect opportunity for you guys. It's very low cost ticket and something that you can be able to start off with as being a newbie. So I'm gonna go right here in my back office and I'm gonna show you some of the results that I had got. First, I'm gonna go back and show you what I have in my email and what I have made. All right, today at 4:13 a.m. I have made a $6 Lead Lightning commission, as you can see, and you can see through each of the days that I had got results. I had one on October 31st, but this one that came in recently today, which is November 6th. So this came in today. So I want to also show you that is proof that that this system does work. As you can see, I also had made the leaderboard with most Lead Lightning sales, and I came in at number 6. Astro, which is me, came in at 6. And I'm not saying this to be boastful for anybody, but I'm showing you that this opportunity could be possible for you guys. You guys can get the same results only if you be consistent. And only if you willing to do the job and follow the steps of the training, and you can get started today. So one of the things that I use to get these type of results, I use a few things, a few strategies, a few platforms that I use, and with the Power Lead system, which allows me to be able to get those unlimited leads once you put your page out there, so you can be able to get people to click in. This is one of the capture pages that I use. Once a person opt into this form, I will be able to record and get their information for me to be able to send automatic email responses, and it'd be a series of email responses once people opt into your capture page. So this is the page that you want to be able to send people and get more eyeballs, get more targeted leads. You want to send it to those people that's going to opt in and that's going to take action. Now, that's not to say that this is the only page that you can do it on. You can do it on many pages, because that's one way that you can brand yourself. So I'm going to show you also little things that I have in the back office as far as your websites once you get them all designed. So we're going to go back in the office. This is where you go back to create your websites. You go under the websites tab. Then you're going to scroll all the way down to websites. You're going to click on that tab right there. So as you can see at the top, you have where you want to be able to set whatever domain that you have. And one thing that the Power Lead system has is subdomains. Once you create one domain, you can have your own subdomain. As you can see, my domain is www.easyprofits.com. That's my main domain. But you can also see how I got subdomains, leadlightning.easyprofits. So you can create those subdomains yourself. That way you can have a variety of offers connected to those subdomains. And here go some of the capture pages that you can use. Me scrolling down, like Power Lead system capture page. You can select if you want an email or just a name only. You can also do email, name, and phone number if you want to record that type of information in a format. So you can scroll, and these is very, very high attractive capture pages, that can very much convert. So you want to be able to have something that can catch the viewer's eyes, and that way they can be able to look through your offer and check it out. So you go through here and I use many of these types of capture pages for my different affiliate offers. So you have right here, you could do, email blasts. This is where you do your automatic sequence of emails that you want to spread out to the prospects that do enter your capture pages, and you get that information to be sent out to them guys. So that's very, very, very key that you want to do. So like I said before, if you want to be able to get started with me and earn these particular same results where you can be able to get these leads coming in on the daily, I have training. If you do start with me today, the link in the description will be below. Make sure you click on those opportunities if you want to be able to get started with me with Lead Lightning, and I will show you how to even upgrade in case you want to make those bigger commissions. I do have affiliate training. I got training for you guys that do come up under me with that, and I will provide that for you. You can also check me out on Facebook. I'm all on different types of social media platforms. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe to this channel. Leave a like. If you have any comments or any type of requests of videos you would like me to make and content, I will provide those for you guys if you leave your comments in that comment section below. And make sure you hit that notification bell. Once again, this is Double Up with Astro. I see you guys on the next video. Peace.